You're with us on India Tonight here on ET Now. Now, the news is that the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, the ITAT, has allowed capital gains exemption for the Mauritius-based firm Sarva Capital. The Delhi tribunal also condemned the Income Tax Department for turning down the benefits. This after the firm has gone through the due approval processes. Let's find out what happened in this case. And for that, my colleague Bhavya Dua joining us here in the Mumbai newsroom. Bhavya, tell us about this case and put it in context for us and tell us what's the latest on it.
In a key ruling over the Indian-Mauritius double tax avoidance treaty, the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal this month rejected orders of the Income Tax Department disallowing benefits under the pact to 3 funds that were seeking exemptions. One of the key arguments advanced by the Income Tax Department for its tax notices on Leapfrog, Sarva Capital and Safe Investments in the month of August are that the beneficial ownership of the fund was outside Mauritius and therefore they were ineligible for the benefits under the tax pact. Now, according to the treaty, capital gains on investments made prior to March 2017 in Indian assets by entities domiciled in Mauritius are eligible for grandfathering and exempt from tax on capital gains on sale or disposal of the assets. The Income Tax Department had argued that the beneficial ownership of these funds was not in Mauritius and in some cases was in tax havens such as Cayman Islands. The tribunal in its ruling mentioned that the funds had a valid tax residency certificate issued by competent authority in Mauritius, which makes them eligible to claim the treaty benefits. In some cases, the assessees also held global business license and an incorporation certificate. The tribunal also stated that various regulatory authorities in India had reviewed the shareholding patterns and structure of the assessee and the holding period of the shares held by these foreign funds in India. The ITAT thus stated that these 3 funds will be allowed to avail benefits of the India-Mauritius tax treaty.
All right, thanks very much for helping us understand what's gone down in this case. And now the IT Tribunal coming out with its verdict that favors offshore funds. We'll keep tracking developments on that count.